Let's check in, though, with Craig Setzer because we did deal with some rain here again today, Craig.
Yeah, we dealt with storms kind of indirectly related to Isaias there, moving to the northeast. It helped pull the deep tropical moisture in, which is still sitting over us. Here's the latest advisory as of 5 o'clock, moving to the northeast, northeast at 40 miles an hour. So it is moving fast, and the wind's still way up there, 65 mile an hour sustained winds, gusts to over 80 miles an hour. At 5 was about 20 miles west of Albany. That's probably about 20 miles north of Albany right now. It's moving so quickly to the north. There is the area of the tropical storm force winds, and as you can see, as it continues to move to the north there, that whole area of tropical storm force winds is gonna sweep through much of New England as we go through the evening hours, and then the weather's going to clear pretty quickly behind it. There's the radars this afternoon, and you can see quite the comma appearance now, as once again the dry air and shear still pushing it along, helping it to accelerate. Also jet stream winds now helping to push it along too. And sometimes those jet stream winds are actually a bad thing. Even though they're moving the storm quickly, they tend to get pulled down in these big squalls here, and that creates quite a bit of wind damage. Closer to home, only thing we've had to worry about was lightning and thunder, and a lot of lightning too. Had one round during the night, had another round this morning, and then another round this afternoon. And that's going to be the pattern here for the next couple of days before the atmosphere finally starts to dry out. Here's our Windjam Resort camera this afternoon. Looking pretty good out there. Ocean nice and calm. Wind's pretty light. It's just hot and humid where it hasn't rained. 86 in Miami, 88 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 90 in Key West. Sticking to scales, a 9. It is super steamy outside. Feels like 96 right now. Wind is calm, had about 707 inch of rain. Look at the feels like temperatures. The actual thermometer readings are only in the mid 80s, but it's so humid that it's driving the feels like temperatures to around 104, 103 through many spots in South Florida. Satellite loop through the day today. See the storms firing up, gentle motion to the northeast, boom, one more round of storms, another round of storms, and we're still unstable enough we could see a few more storms out there. There is the so-called moisture tail. It's kind of really not a true tropical looking tail like we usually see, and there's Isaias moving quickly to the northeast. So bad weather, and then all of a sudden here comes the sun right behind it, and the winds drop off quickly. For us, the moisture is going to gradually work its way in, but for tomorrow, still enough moisture around for more storms. Same story Thursday. Guess what? Just in time for the weekend, not as moist and not as stormy, especially for Saturday and Sunday. For tonight, some spotty storms, summer muggies, a low temperature right around 80. Tomorrow, look for steamy sun to start once again, and passing storms fire up once again. Watch out for the lightning and some brief downpours, a high near 90. On the water, wind southeast at 10, 2-foot seas, and a light chop on the bays. Taking us through the rest of the weekend. Rain chances go down just in time for the weekend. Back to you.